By the year 2035, nearly 40% of today's jobs may no longer exist, not because people failed, but because machines learned faster. Artificial intelligence is no longer coming for factory work only. It is coming for offices, hospitals, classrooms, and even creative jobs. The real question is not whether AI will replace jobs. The question is, will your job survive? Artificial intelligence is already changing how the world works. AI writes emails, designs logos, analyzes legal documents, and diagnoses diseases. What once took hours now takes seconds. Companies don't see AI as a tool anymore. They see it as a worker that never sleeps, never complains, and never asks for a salary increase. This is why businesses across the world are rapidly replacing humans with intelligent systems. Experts predict that by 2035, nearly 40% of current jobs could disappear. The reason is simple. AI is cheaper, faster, and more accurate for repetitive tasks. Jobs at the highest risk include data entry and clerical work, customer support and call centers, basic accounting and bookkeeping, transportation and delivery, manufacturing and warehouse roles. These jobs rely on routine, and routine is what AI does best. For a long time, people believed only manual jobs were in danger. That belief is no longer true. AI is now entering white-collar professions. Lawyers using AI for contract analysis, doctors using AI for diagnosis. Journalists replaced by AI-generated reports, designers competing with AI image tools. Education and skills no longer guarantee safety. Adaptability does. Not all jobs will disappear. Roles that require emotional intelligence, creativity and original thinking, human leadership, ethical decision-making, will remain valuable. Examples include psychologists and therapists, entrepreneurs and strategists, skilled technicians, AI trainers, and supervisors. The future belongs to humans who work with AI, not against it. In 2035, work will look very different. Many people will work remotely with AI assistance, have multiple income streams, change careers several times, focus on skills instead of degrees. Traditional 9-to-5 jobs will decline. Continuous learning will become a necessity, not a choice. The most dangerous skill in the future is refusing to learn. If your job can be automated, it probably will be. But if you can, learn AI tools, adapt quickly, solve complex problems, think creatively. Then AI will not replace you, it will amplify you. Every technological revolution destroyed jobs, but it also created new ones. AI is not the end of human work. It is the beginning of a new era. The future will not belong to the strongest or the smartest, but to those who are willing to evolve.